see the picture here. Square numbers end with digits 0, 1, 4, 6, 9 or 25. You can see the first box, the square shape, 4 dots are there, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 square or 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Same way, second box, it's a square shape, 9 dots are there. You can see 9 dots, 3 square or 3 into 3, 9. 3 3s are 9. Same way till 36 you can see. Now you can see the square. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square, 7 square, 8 square, 9 square, 10 square. 1 1s are 1. 2 2s are 4. 3 3s are 9. 4 4s are 16. 5 5s are 25. 6 6 are 36. 7 7s are 49. 8 8s are 64. 9 9s are 81, 10 10s are 100. The square number is multiplied by the same number. Next you can see, count and write the number boxes. You can see the first one, only one box is there, so 1 square is equal to 1 box only. Next one is 1 2 3 4, 1 square but 4 boxes are there. So 2 square, 2 2s are 4, 3 square, 4 square. Now you can see, circle and color the square numbers. You can see the numbers here. Now 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10, 6 2s are 12, like that till 10 numbers. 1 1s are 1, 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25, 6 6 are 36, 7 7s are 49, 8 8s are 64, 9 9s are 81, 10 10s are 100. Now you can see exercise 2.1. The square number of 2 is 4. The square number of 5 is 25. This number of boxes is equal to one square number. The number is 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next you can see which of the following number is square number. 23, 54, 36, 45. The square number is 36. What is the next square number of 49? 76, 95, 64, 54. The square number is 64. Now you can see the factors of 4 are 1, 2, 4. That you can see another method. Find the factor of 18. 1 18s are 18. 2 9s are 18. 3 6 are 18. Are the factors of 18. Now you can see next one. You can see exercise 2.2. Find the common factors for 8 and 12. You can see the factor trigger activity 16. Multiply 4 4s are 16. Here 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. So this is finished. Like same way we have to multiply here. I'll see the note here. Factor tree. You can see the picture here. 18. Multiply 2 9s are 18. So this 2 number, this is the big number. Now again you can multiply 3 3s are 9. Same way you can do another thing. Now write down the first multiples of the given numbers. You can see from the book here. The first 5 multiples of 7 are 1 7 is equal to 7. 2 7s are 14. 3 7s are 21. 4 7s are 28. 5 7s are 35. So this you can see here 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. You can see here. Next, the next one is first 5 multiples of 9 are 1 9s are 9, 2 9s are 18, 3 9s are 27, 4 9s are 36, 5 9s are 45. So 9, 18, 27, 36, 45. Same way you have to do all the multiples numbers. Next you can see, find the first 3 common multiples for the given numbers. Multiples of 24, 16. So multiples are 24 and 16. For 24, you can see you have to multiply into 2. 24, 48, 72, 96, 120, 144, 168. Multiples are 16, 16, 32, 48, 64, 80, 96, 112, 128, 144. Now you have to find the common multiples of 24 and 16 are, you can see the common multiple 48, 48. Then you can see here 96, 96. Here you can see 144, 144. These are the common multiples of 24 and 16. Same way you have to do all the sums. Now you can see, find the LCM of the given numbers 12 and 18. Multiples of 12 are 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, like that it will go. Same way multiples are 28 also, 28, 56, 84, 112, 140, 168, 46. Now common multiples are 12 and 28 are, you can see the same number 84, then you can see 168. That's the answer for this. Same way you have to do here. All the numbers are same only. Next we will see lesson 3, patterns. Okay children, we will see in the next class. Now you can see the straight angle equal to 180 degree. In this line you can see both sides, the arrow is there. Now I am keeping like this. You can see here 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 50, 150, 160, 170, 180. So this side also you can see 108. Now you can see from here 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180. So this is straight angle. Now you can see the triangle. You see here triangle, the shape you can see. Observe the angles formed at the vertex of the following shape. This is an equivalent triangle. It has 3 angles formed at 3 vertices, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So it can be demonstrated like this. So 60 degree. Next you can see the angle of regular hexagon using the equivalent triangle. Now you can see the picture here, 60 degree plus 60 degree, 60 degree. So all together it will come 360 degree. Now we will go for exercise 3.1. Find the angle of the given shapes using the equivalent triangle. You can see the note here. Here one triangle is there, like this way one triangle, here one triangle. So 3 triangles are here. All together all the triangles 60 degree, 60 degree, 60 degree, 60 degree, 60 degree. So all together 360 degree. Here you can see the shapes here 45 degree, here also 45 degree, 90 degree, 45 degree, 45 degree. Now totally it will come 360 degree. Now you can see the angles of rectangle shape. You can see the using a circle. 300 degree divided by 4, it comes 90 degree. Now you can see the time in the clock when the angle is 180 degree, 90 degree, 60 degree. Now you can see here 3:45 the time, but the clock shows the angle in straight angle, so it is 180 degree. Now you can see 3 o'clock. It's a right angle 90 degree. This is 60 degree, 4:30. So this shows 60 degree. So like that, here some of the clocks are here angle made by the hands of the clock. You have to find the clock whether it is right angle or straight angle. You have to find out and you have to write it. Now you can see collection of words ending with ENT. Bent, sent, bent, rent, tend. Bent, sent, went, rent, tend. Next you can see night, light, right, sight, might. Filling the blanks also here. Coat, boat, coat. Red, bed, bed. These are the collection of words by ending with the end. And this is HT, this is O, this is E. Like that some of the words they have given. You can see in the book also. Here you can see the word. One circle form the words ending with the IN. Bin, bin, tin, pin. You can see here. Here also AIL they have given some of the words here. Bail, mail, sail, tail. Here you can see some of the word. Arrange the words given by the pattern. Called, walk, played, pulled. Depth, length, breadth, width. Mice, rice, price, voice. Here are the words that you have to choose and write here. And this one already I showed the collection of what ending with END. Went, sent, went, rent, rent. Night, light, right, sight, might. These are the filling the blanks. Coat, boat, coat. Red, bed, bed. These are the lessons today we have learned. I hope you all understand the lesson, children. We'll see in the next class.